Solving VR's infinite walking problem with moon boots. Oh, who's ever going to solve VR's walking problem? It seems so difficult to solve.
Yeah, we've seen some before.
Well, mostly you just
solutions.
have like slippery feet and you're just like,
yeah, and go.
and it's just, I don't know. I feel like it's not really convincing. It's about the continuity of experience. It's about maintaining that immersion. It's about the ease of use and the learning curve, not needing to teach somebody how to use VR, but being able to put on the headset and experience the virtual world naturally. That's what we're focusing on. So that's the CEO of a company called Ecto VR, and they invented a pair of chunky cyberpunk-looking moonwalking boots, which are strictly to be used in virtual reality, so you feel like you're walking. And they look intimidating, to say the least, but they do kind of look like moon boots.
They have RGB.
Of course they have RGB.
Nice. They got the Vive sensors on there.
So I'm guessing you sort of pick up your foot. Wait a second. What? Wait, what? If you're still walking around, oh, is there a treadmill?
No.
What's going on here? How come it looked like he was actually progressing in the room? Oh, he's not.
Oh, there is a treadmill.
No, it's not a treadmill. The boots are doing it themselves.
They're just slippery.
Yeah, no, it's like a roller or something. Oh my God, that's intense.
Interesting.
What's he doing in VR? Did you notice he's like turning off a gas line? What is that game? Oh, stairs, ladders. Wow, that's
Half-Life.
It's actually pretty cool.
Half-Life Alex.
Those cannot be cheap though. Ecto VR. You're gonna pay some money for that. Anyway, that's you. That's future you, Will. See the smile on your face?
Yeah, that's a great time.
Enable effective. They're not even going after gamers right away. They know it's going to be too much money. Enable effective training simulations, improve safety, and that's why he was turning off a gas line.
Oh, right, yeah.
It's going to be military. It's going to be industrial because they're the ones with the budget to be spending on this type of thing. And then they'll do a little Half-Life on the side.
Yeah.
A tiny bit.
I mean, how much do you think it'll be?
It's going to be a lot, man. I don't even think they're going to tell you. Maybe they will. But
I checked. I couldn't find the price.
No price. Okay. I don't. 10 grand. I don't know. 5 grand. Look at it. There's
years.
A lot of mechanical stuff. A lot of mechanical going on there. Actuators.
Seems like it's 3D printed as well. Some parts.
I see a lot of carbon fiber in there too.
Yeah.
It's oof. You got to assume that it's not like a large market, high volume thing yet. And anytime that's the case and it's more bespoke, you're paying for it because it's just, economies of scale.